Imagine you're teaching your dog a new trick. You show them what to do, reward them when they get it right, and eventually they learn. Guess what? That's exactly how machine learning works. Today I'm going to break down all the different ways computers learn. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand ML types better than most tech bros at Silicon Valley parties. What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the different types of machine learning. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh no, another boring tech video. But hold up. I promise you, I'm going to explain this like you're my little cousin who just asked me, how does Netflix know what shows I like? But real quick, if you want more tech stuff explained without the BS and boring parts, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I drop videos every week breaking down complex tech into stuff you can actually understand. Like, seriously, my mom watches these and she gets it. All right, let's jump in. Part 1. The Core 4. The Basics. Everyone should know. Supervised learning. Okay, so supervised learning. This is like learning with a really good teacher. Imagine you're learning to identify fruits. Your teacher shows you an apple and says this is an apple, shows you a banana, says this is a banana. After seeing hundreds of examples with the answers, you can now identify fruits you've never seen before. That's supervised learning. The computer learns from examples where we already know the answer. It's like having an answer key while studying. Netflix uses this when it predicts if you'll like a show. It learned from millions of people who watched shows and either liked them or did not. Real examples? Your email spam filter, it learned from millions of emails that were labeled a spam or not spam. Your phone's face unlock, it learned from thousands of faces labeled you and not you. Unsupervised learning. Now unsupervised learning. This is where things get interesting. No teacher, no answer key. It's like being dropped in a room full of Legos and told to figure out how to organize these. You might group them by color, by size, by shape. The computer does the same with data. Think about Spotify creating your daily playlists. It doesn't know which songs are good or bad. It just notices patterns. People who listen to song A also listen to song B a lot. Let me group these together. Or when online stores group customers, they don't label you as budget shopper or luxury buyer. The algorithm figures out these groups by itself based on your behavior. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised is the realistic middle ground. It's like when your teacher gives you 10 solved math problems and says, now solve these 100 similar ones yourself. You have some examples with answers, but not all. This is actually how most real-world AI works. Why? Because labeling data is expensive. Imagine having to manually label every single photo on Instagram. Instead, they label some, and the AI figures out the rest. Reinforcement learning. This one's my favorite. Reinforcement learning. It's literally how you learn to walk. Try something, fall down, that's bad. Try something else, take a step, that's good. Keep going until you're running. This is how game-playing AIs work. Remember when AI beat humans at chess? It played millions of games, learning that winning is good, losing is bad. It's also how self-driving cars learn. Staying in lane is good, reward. Hitting things is bad, penalty. Part 2, the advanced stuff. Level up your understanding. Transfer learning. All right, ready to level up? Transfer learning is like this. You know how to ride a bicycle, right? Learning to ride a motorcycle becomes easier because you transfer your balance skills. You don't start from zero. Same with AI. An AI that recognizes cats can learn to recognize dogs faster. It transfers its knowledge of what makes an animal to the new task. This is why ChatGPT can write about topics it wasn't specifically trained on. It transfers its language understanding. This is huge because it means we don't need to train every AI from scratch. Imagine if every student had to rediscover math instead of learning from textbooks. Online learning, and no, not like Zoom classes. This is when AI learns continuously in real time. It's like how you get better at a video game while playing it, not just during tutorial mode. Your YouTube recommendations? They're learning online. Every video you watch or skip updates what the algorithm knows about you right now. It doesn't wait for some monthly update. It's learning from you this very second. Meta learning. Okay, this sounds fancy, but it's actually simple. It's learning how to learn. Remember when you figured out your own study technique? Maybe you realized you learn better with flashcards or by teaching others? That's meta learning. AI does this too. Instead of just learning one task, it learns the best way to approach new tasks. It's like giving AI a fishing rod instead of a fish. Super powerful stuff. Multitask learning. Multitask learning is exactly what it sounds like, learning multiple things at once. It's like taking Spanish and Italian together. They help each other because they're similar. Your phone's AI assistant does this. It learns to understand your voice, answer questions, and set reminders all at the same time. Each task helps it get better at the others. When it gets better at understanding accents for one task, boom, it's better at all voice tasks. Bringing it all together. So here's the thing. Most modern AI systems don't use just one type. They're like Swiss Army knives. Netflix might use supervised learning to predict ratings, unsupervised to find new genres you might like, and reinforcement learning to figure out the best time to send you notifications. Your phone? It's using transfer learning when a new app uses the keyboard, transfers typing knowledge, online learning as it adapts to your typos, and multitask learning to handle autocorrect, predictions, and swipe typing all together. Why this matters to you. Look, you don't need to build AI to understand this stuff, but knowing these types helps you understand what's happening when. Instagram seems to read your mind with its ads, that's supervised learning. Netflix creates weirdly specific categories just for you, unsupervised learning. Your video game enemy gets harder as you play, reinforcement learning. New apps seem to already know your preferences, transfer learning. You're not just a user anymore. You understand the magic behind the curtain, and that's it. Congrats, now understand machine learning types better than 90% of people out there. Seriously, next time someone mentions AI, you can be like, oh, is that using supervised or reinforcement learning? And watch their jaw drop. If this helped you understand ML, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more tech stuff explained without the boring parts. And comment below, what AI behavior have you noticed that now makes sense? Until next time, keep learning. Supervised or unsupervised, your choice. Peace out.